As it turns out, I forgot to type these into the PowerPoint. Today's a great day, so we're just going to write them down, which may kill you guys. We don't know. You're not used to this writing of examples thing. All right. So, let me maximize this. Boop. Let's suppose I wanted you to find the derivatives. Part A. Suppose f of x was, we'll start off nice, log base 5 of x. So according to our rule, the derivative would be 1 over the natural log of the base, so the natural log of 5, times 1 over x. And that's it. You can write this as one fraction. Notice, if you do, please be careful, I'm putting the natural log of 5 after the x. Because if you put it before, it's going to look like the natural log of 5x, which is not the same thing. So to alleviate that, you could write 1 over natural log of 5 in parentheses times x. That's your choice. Go away. There we go. Boring. Part B. Suppose g of x is the natural log of x. We're going to see this guy's derivative a whole mess of times, so we might as well just memorize this one. So according to the rule, g prime would be 1 over the natural log of the base. What's the base here? E times 1 over x. What is the natural log of e? So what is 1 over 1? 1. So this guy is just 1. So what's 1 times 1 over x? 1 over x. So the derivative of the natural log of x is 1 over x. So suppose f of x is log base 6 of 3x minus 7. So just put the pieces where they need to go. So for instance, we'll have 1 over the natural log of the base. What's that going to be? 6. So we'll have 1 over the natural log of 6 times. You can do either part. I sort of prefer the first one because it looks cleaner, but you can use the second one if you wish. Right, so the derivative of the argument is 3 over the argument itself, 3x minus 7. Stop. Leave it alone. Don't do anything else. We do stuff with it later on, just not now. Okay. So part B, why don't you try to do that one on your own? This one does simplify a little bit because it's the natural log. So you'll have 1 over the natural log of e, because e is the base of the natural log, times the derivative of the argument. What's the derivative of x squared minus 7x? Over the argument itself, x squared minus 7x. So just as we saw before, the natural log of e is 1, 1 over 1 is 1, so does that first fraction matter? Nope, we just get 2x minus 7 over x squared minus 7x. Since we're going to be doing a lot of natural log functions, instead of using the second rule over there, you can use this one if f of x is the natural log of the absolute value of g of x. Then f prime of x is g prime of x over g of x. And that's what we ended up with. The derivative of the argument over the argument. It's a time saver.